Hi guys, I'm Aditi and today we are making Paneer Makhani. It's basically pieces of cottage cheese or paneer cooked in really rich velvety tomato gravy. So let's get started. We're going to start by heating some oil in a pan. Once the oil heats up, we're going to add cumin seeds, chopped onion, and some finely chopped ginger. Saute the onions till they just start to brown and then add finely chopped garlic. It's time to add the cubed tomatoes. Now you need to cook the tomatoes till they turn really soft. This may take around 4 to 5 minutes. Now looks like the tomatoes are done. Now we're going to set the mixture aside for it to cool down. Now with a little bit of water, we are going to grind the mixture into a fine paste. Season the paneer with some salt and some red chili powder. Give it a mix. We're going to heat some butter in a pan and fry the pieces of paneer really lightly. We need to get a golden sear on both the sides. This may take about a couple of minutes on each side. It's time to flip the pieces. Now in the pan we used to make our onion and tomato gravy, we're going to add some butter, 1 finely chopped green chili, and the onion and tomato paste. Give it a stir. Once the mixture starts bubbling, we are going to add in the spices. We'll start with some green cardamom powder, garam masala powder, and some red chili powder. Mix them all in. Now we need to add hot water to get it to our desired consistency. Add some salt, fenugreek leaves, and honey. Add some cream. And the paneer pieces. Give it a gentle stir and cook it only for a couple of minutes more. Paneer Makhani is ready to be served, so it's time to plate it. It goes really well with naan or roti, but you can also serve it with rice. Garnish it with some fresh cream and some chopped coriander. If you liked the video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.